The Easter Bunny's Assistant by Jan Thomas. Hello, I am the Easter Bunny, and this is my assistant Skunk. Today we will show you how to make beautiful Easter eggs. Step 1. Hard boil the eggs.
I'm so excited!
Skunk, what is that smell?
Oh, sorry. It happens when I get excited.
Please try to control yourself. Step 2. Make dye for the eggs.
Oh, look at the beautiful color. It's so exciting!
Skunk!
Sorry.
Step 3. Decorate the eggs with crayons.
Oh, I love decorating eggs. It's so pleasant and exciting.
Ooh. Step 4. Remove skunk from room. Push if necessary.
Hey!
Step 5. Dye the eggs.
Knock, knock.
Now you have beautiful Easter eggs.
Knock, knock, knock.
Should I let him help me hide the eggs? You sure? Okay. Here are the Easter Bunny's directions for making beautiful eggs. Step 1. Hard-boiled eggs. Ask for an adult help. Put eggs in a saucepan. Cover them with cold water. Bring to boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 9 minutes. Step 2. Make dye for the eggs. Combine 1 teaspoon food coloring with 2 teaspoon vinegar in a cup. Add water for the halfway point. Step 3. Decorate the eggs with crayons. Have fun. Step 4. Look to see if there is a skunk in the room. If there is, remove it. 5. Dye the eggs. Gently place the eggs in the dye. Let them sit for a bit, then remove. Now you have exciting Easter eggs. The end. Easter, I'm so excited. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!